Hey Trailites, welcome back to Eat Better, Eat Together month. Today we're going to be making some super easy and surprisingly filling hummus and veggie sandwiches. I'm going to start by washing and slicing my vegetables. I've got bell pepper, cucumber, and carrot, but you could switch these out for your favorite veggies. I don't have a grater for my carrot, so instead I'm going to use a vegetable peeler to make thin ribbons after removing the rough outer layer. Now all that's left to do is assemble the sandwiches. You're going to need your veggies, whole wheat bread, mixed salad greens, black pepper, and your favorite kind of hummus. Mine's garlic. Spread a thick layer of hummus on the bread and sprinkle it with pepper or any other seasonings you'd like to add. Press the salad greens into the hummus so they don't slide away and layer your veggies on top. These sandwiches may not look like much, but they're actually one of my favorites. They're especially good to make with a friend or roommate. You can share ingredients, customize your sandwiches, and hang out while you assemble them together. Talk about multitasking. Thanks for joining me, and I'll be back next week to continue celebrating Eat Better, Eat Together month. Bye for now.